How well do you understand consumer taxes? Are they a puzzle to you? Fear not, we're here to help you crack this code. Consumer taxes, they're something we all encounter, yet they remain shrouded in mystery for many. So, what exactly are they? Simply put, consumer taxes are those pesky little amounts you pay over and above the price of goods and services. They come in various forms and different names: sales taxes, excise taxes, and value-added taxes, to name a few. Sales taxes are what you pay on top of the price when you buy something at the store. Excise taxes are hidden within the price of certain goods like gasoline or tobacco. And value-added taxes? They're a bit more complex, levied at each stage of a product's journey from production to the point of sale. So now that we've started to unravel the mystery, are you ready to dive deeper? Stay tuned as we reveal 7 tips to overcome the challenge of consumer taxes. Firstly, you need to keep track of your spending. Now, this might sound like a no-brainer, but it's easier said than done. It's crucial to know where your money goes because it helps you understand how much tax you're actually paying. Think about it. Every time you buy something, a portion of that money goes into taxes. So, if you're not tracking your spending, you're basically in the dark about how much tax you're paying. A simple and effective way to keep track of your spending is by using budgeting apps or spreadsheets. These tools not only help you monitor your expenses but also give you a clear picture of your financial health. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your spending habits, the better your chances of managing and reducing your consumer taxes. So, start tracking your spending today and see the difference it makes. Keeping track of your spending is the first step towards understanding and managing your consumer taxes. Next, it's important to understand which items are taxable and which are not. When it comes to consumer taxes, not all goods and services are created equal. Some items are subject to tax while others are not. This can depend on a variety of factors, including the location of the purchase and the type of product or service being bought. For example, in some places groceries are not taxed, but dining out is. Likewise, prescription medications may be tax-free, while over-the-counter drugs are taxable. The key is to do your research. Familiarize yourself with the tax laws in your area or country. Become knowledgeable about which items are non-taxable. This can make a significant difference in your overall spending. In essence, knowing what's taxable and what's not is like having a secret weapon in your financial arsenal. It can help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Tip number 3 is to take advantage of tax-free days. Picture this: a day where you can buy certain items and not pay a dime in sales tax. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's a reality in some states and countries. These tax-free days are typically scheduled before school seasons or during holiday periods. So, whether it's back-to-school shopping or holiday gift buying, you could find yourself saving a pretty penny. Tax-free days can be a great way to save on consumer taxes. Our 4th tip is to consider shopping online. The digital marketplace often offers opportunities to sidestep certain consumer taxes. It's not always a guarantee, but it's definitely worth exploring. However, it's crucial to remember that not all online retailers have the same tax policies. Always take the time to review these policies before making a purchase. Do your due diligence. It's a small step that can lead to big savings. Shopping online can be a savvy way to avoid certain consumer taxes. Tip number 5 is to use cashback credit cards. Picture the scene. You're at the checkout, about to make a purchase. You swipe your card, and instead of just watching your money disappear, you see a portion of it coming right back to you. That's the magic of cashback credit cards. They work by giving you a percentage of your spending back, usually between 1 to 5%. This is money you can use to offset the cost of consumer taxes. There are a myriad of options out there, from general cards that provide cash back on all purchases, to specialized ones that focus on certain categories like groceries or gas. Some even offer bonus cash back during certain periods. So, why not make your money work harder for you? Cashback credit cards can help you recoup some of the money you spend on consumer taxes. Our 6th tip is to save your receipts. It might seem like a tedious task, but it can be a real lifesaver. You see, receipts are not just proof of your purchases. They are your financial footprints. They help you keep track of your spending. And more importantly, they can be your ticket to tax deductions. Yes, you heard it right, tax deductions. There are certain expenses that you can claim as tax deductions, effectively reducing your taxable income. This could be anything from business expenses, medical bills, to educational expenses. The list goes on. Now, to claim these deductions, you need proof. And that's where your receipts come in. If you've been saving them, you can easily provide evidence of these expenses. If not, well, you might find yourself in a bit of a pickle. So, Don't toss out those little slips of paper just yet. Saving your receipts can be a game changer when it comes to managing your consumer taxes. Finally, consider consulting with a tax professional. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, it's simple. Tax professionals have spent years understanding the intricacies of the tax landscape. They are well versed in tax laws, regulations, and the countless exceptions that exist. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique financial situation and spending habits, helping you identify tax-saving opportunities that you may not be aware of. For example, you might be eligible for certain tax deductions or credits, or there could be specific rules around consumer taxes in your state that you could take advantage of. A tax professional can help you navigate these complexities with ease. Moreover, they can assist in planning your purchases strategically to minimize tax implications. They can guide you on how to keep track of your spending, when to make large purchases, and how to use tax-free days effectively. Consulting with a tax professional can provide you with valuable insights and strategies to handle your consumer taxes. So there you have it, 7 tips to help you overcome the challenges of consumer taxes. From tracking your spending, understanding taxable items, to taking advantage of tax-free days. Shopping online, using cashback credit cards, saving receipts, and consulting with a tax professional can all play a pivotal role in managing your finances better. Remember, understanding and managing your consumer taxes can make a big difference in your financial health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and if you have your own tips, we'd love to hear them in the comments below.